Okay friends, now it's going to be time to start replacing our washer fluid nozzles. As you can tell, there's two of them, one on the driver's, one on the passenger's side. I'm going to show you how to replace one, but the process will be approximately the same for either. Let's go ahead and get under the hood. And now the areas that we're looking for is the area that you can see this washer fluid line going all the way over to. I'm going to be replacing the driver's side, but the passenger side is located right over here. With that said, I'm going to carefully go ahead and grab onto this line and I'm going to pop it right off of there. Now I'm just going to come right here, I'll pop this off as well. And now we can get ready to remove our washer nozzle. Let's have a close look at our new washer nozzle here. You can see that it has two squeeze tabs, basically facing up and down just like this. Now with that said, I'm just going to use some long nose pliers. We're going to carefully get up inside this hole. I'm going to find those two tabs, we'll squeeze on them, and then pop this up and out of the hood. There it is, friends. Alright, now it's time to install our brand new washer fluid nozzle. You want to make sure you have it facing in the proper direction. Obviously you don't want it shooting off towards the front of the vehicle. We'll go ahead and line this up, press it down, listen for a click. Give it a little wiggle to make sure it's secure. Get back under the hood. Under the hood you can see where the little nozzle comes through. We're going to go ahead and make sure that fits right on here. Carefully press it up on. Now we can reconnect this other hose. Once you have it on there, if you were doing them as a pair, you just come over here and do the exact same process. After that, go ahead and test your washer fluid nozzles and make sure they function properly.